Okay, so shalom. This is the sixth installment of the video. Last one got out midway through. I was showing on the wall a couple of charts I bought. The sun circuits, the moon circuits, and the celestial map on the wall. Now onward to the lunar perpetual calendar. So previous videos I showed that the moon has different cycles. I showed some of the research, the reference points. This is the different versions of I was trying to get the proper distribution of the perpetual lunar calendar, and there are different sections. There's a outer section is a 31 part, then there's 28, 14, and 10 is the division of the cutouts. Now the 28 is on questioning. Again, I was trying to map out and get the correct division. So the outer circle is 31 days. Now, why it's 31? Because that's the maximum amount of number of days in the month. Basically, you can use this as the outer circle. I put here another part that's current date. You can line up this later on to the current date and all the following layers as well. Now the second layer is the lunar cycle. Now mostly they offer 28-day cycles. I have 28-day here as well, the lunar perpetual calendars, but I went to the Book of Enoch. Now again, this is just empirical information, nothing to do with dogma, nothing to do with religion, but the Book of Enoch describes that lunar cycle is 29.5 days. That's 354 days in a year, and I'm gonna get into this later on. First, I have to try to explain the clock, not to go into the other topics. There's a different spirit behind it, and I don't want this interrupting my presentation right now. I've been butting heads with the moon for a long time. Now there's a 30 divisions here, and there's 28 divisions here. Why I put the 30? It's because the 29.5 days you can end one month with it, and you know that half a day from one month and half a day from another month, you can shift this as a perpetual calendar, perpetual clock. Now again, I did the full moon, just a circle, and then started adding the let's say visible part or non-visible part. It's maybe not really the correct representation, but anyway, as I was looking at the circles and perpetual lunar calendars, they all did the same way. New moon is a fully black, as in as in here. And then I started adding the visible part. Visible part, visible part, visible part, visible part, visible part, up to the point when there's a first quarter, visible part, visible part, visible part, full moon. Then it starts diminishing, visible part, visible part, visible part, another quarter, and diminishing, 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 boom, a new moon. Or yeah, new moon. Basically, new moon should be first visible part of the moon, or first sliver or whatever. But during the formats I see, the new moon is fully colored black. So the way this works, I had a section here. I needed to find a space to put it. So some of this information will go hiding, because if I did it in a smaller format that I used before, all this information wouldn't be readable, even though I try to do as good calligraphy as possible at this point. So this is the second layer, and then the third layer is twice 7. The solar tile I used 4 times 7, but this one has 2 times 7. As you can see, let me do it here. It has divisions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 divisions, but it's it's just how to get the numbers readable, and the second tile as structurally sound as possible. So it's from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, again another 7, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The second row is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Then there's 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. And then just visual whatever you call it. I just had to mark it so that this wouldn't distract me. I didn't want to draw stars here. I just painted half of it black, as I did here, but it was still needed something, so I painted the other part red and put black dots here, there. There's no meaning behind it. It's just like a sprocket, range sprocket. So this goes here as a third layer, and the fourth layer is the final layer. It's the 4 times 7. That's the, again, I'm using English and I'm using Japanese. Tuesday is always red, Saturday, Sabbath, day 7 is always with the green. Why I'm using these colors? Because again, the person that this calendar format came out, he was using these colors as his base in his visual representations, and I understood how to read his calendar, and in order not to make it over confusing, I decided to use the same colors for the base colors for the days as he was doing. The original rainbow colors. There's yellow, there's orange, There's a red, there's a purple, there's a dark blue, there's a blue. There was a different word in English for the lighter blue, indigo maybe, and then there's green. Again, I have the English and Japanese cipher here and the number of which month it is, and again how many days in the month when I was first doing this. So this is the reference for this, and in order to oma paustis